Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Did you know that AI might actually be trained to have a gender bias? Let's dig into it. This isn't just some random thought of my own, but something actually grounded in reality. Think about it. When you hear nurses and doctors, do you picture female nurses and male doctors? Well, when AI technology is fed big data with gender bias, it will start to incorporate the bias. Take large language models, for example. Research shows that it is 4 times more likely to associate women with housework than men. According to these models, women are often linked with words like home, family, and children, while men are tagged with terms like business, management, salary, and career. This is a pretty large discrepancy, and UNESCO has pointed out that the way we develop, use, and deploy AI could actually reinforce existing gender biases or even create new ones. Without correction, AI could end up being a bias-perpetuating or generating machine, and the new biases will be compiled into new data. In China, companies and organizations are actively working to eliminate the potential AI bias. Take Ant Group, for example, has teamed up with the China Women's Development Foundation to launch the A-Do Plan, an AI incubation project. This initiative supports digital employment centers in remote townships, offers training in data annotation, and helps rural women find employment in the AI industry. And the results speak for themselves. By the end of 2023, the A-Do Plan had helped over 5,800 people find local employment, nearly 70% of whom were women. In places like Yijun County, Shaanxi Province, the project has trained and employed thousands.
One issue with the current trajectory of AI is that it is incorporating existing gender biases and perhaps escalating and scaling them. And whatever it's giving back to its users might create new biases, new issues, new challenges for women in general and for the perceptions that societies have. So to counteract that, we see that many Chinese companies have already taken different steps. For example, one company has introduced a monitoring system which is going to reduce the existing gender bias in whatever output they have, and hence reinforcing more gender equality. This is a very positive step because we need proactive monitoring of existing data and to reduce its inclination to disadvantage women already. The Chinese AI industries are deeply aware of the existing gender bias when it comes to content creation, and also the lack of women's participation in the industry is commendable. It should be better publicized to the world. And secondly, that these actions that have been taken must be setting examples for other companies or other platforms, and even if it's not with respect to the AI industry, many tech startups should start thinking, how do we incorporate more women in the process?